Oh, look at my new Adidas kicks, yo. You like that flavor, yo? That's the style I'm rocking, yo. 2015. Mix and match, yo. Pure underground flavors. Hey, yo. Usually I'm a Nike head, like Nasty Nas. But, yo, I rock all kind of flavors. You know what I'm saying? Conspiracy the Cutslinger. Yo, we got a freestyle we're going to do right here. Continuing in the series of youtube.com/astromajesty freestyles. Yo, if you following, check it out. It's the dope-ish. Yo, this one's going to be called Keep It Simple, Stupid. Keep it simple, Smarty. Yeah. No, I already used Smarties in the last freestyle if you was watching. So this one's going to be called Keep It Simple, Stupid. Yo, we just going to rock over some random instrumentals because we broke like that. We ghetto like that. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Here we go. Give me a second. Just be patient. Some things are worth waiting for. You know what I mean? Alright. We're gonna set it off like this. Check me right here. Here we go. Yo, the freestyle off the top of the head. You know what I'm saying, yo, man? One time for the dark Rasta dread that's coming from Jamaica, Africa. You know that I'm seeing a swarm of points in Kobe Bryant on the Lakers. Yo, man, I am the realest. Yo, man, I don't even recognize the fake. You know that I'm trying to be greater than Muhammad Ali. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. But you are gonna get knocked out by a cat that's stronger than Mike Tyson. Yo, I'm hype when I'm writing. Yo, the sucker MCs will continue biting. Cause they try to copy, but they can't do it like I representing the most high. Fly until I die. Yo, man, elevating, levitating. Yo, man, mastering meditation. Cleaning up my soul, spirit, cause I'm a sunshine star. Yo, man, you know that I'm repping hardcore. Yo, man, you know I want the honey horse because I like it. Yo, it's pornographic. Yo, I got this punchline perfection mastered. Down, 1, 2, 3 to 4. Doesn't even matter. Yo, kick in the door within the 4-4. It's like I was a person who was preaching positivity as if I was a Jesus freak, but I believe in Christ Yeshua, the black one, NHTM. Doesn't even matter, yo, it's not written with a pen. This is a freestyle that I be doing. Yo, check it out. Always being true and I'm never ever gonna be another liar. Yo, man, my rhymes are gonna be recorded in your mind, sir. You wanna see why they call me conspiracy? Because there is no answer except paying $100 bills in the panties of the strip dancers. Yo, man, you know that I'm doing it ill. Keep it simple, stupid. Yo, check it. The beat I just rock it while it's being looped on the production. Yo, I got the style. Yo, man, you hear the drum percussion? I'm doing it for the lust and for the love. Yo, man, you know I have the hunger consumption because it be like hungry hippos or Connect 4. Yo, man, you know I smash windows with rocks like a juvenile delinquent. Yo, man, I got the styles straight. Pimpin' the beat because I be wicked, yo, man. The chicks get licks and I say KISS is what it stands for. Yo, you know I'm reppin' more pure. Yo, man, the 4 elemental. Yo, man, check it out. Gentle touch. Yo, as if my name was Ted Striker. I got the rhymes, yo, man. I am a lead fighter. Fist to fist against the gat. Bring it, nigga. Yo, man, my soul is eternal even if you blast. I still elevate to heaven and ascended, yo, man. And you will go to hell down, yo, man. I wear the golden crown, yo, man. Skin colored chocolate milk caramel brown. Check it. Yo, I got the rhymes. Come closer. Yo, I'm repping the freshest. Yo, You know that I know ya. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go. Yo, conspiracy, the flow. Yo, like when Stella got her groove back, it's like Angela Bassett. Yo, action. I'm an actor when I rap. Yo, check it out. A Hollywood hero, celebrity. Yo, man, I never been to LA, but yo, my mind travels there every day when I watch the television. You better escape prison. Yo, I got the styles. Judgment decision is to make hip hop universal. Yo, man, you know I got the styles. Smarter than Urkel. Yo, man, my girlfriend is Laura. Yo, you know I could steal a Ford Explorer or even an Intrepid. Yo, man, you know I got the styles. It's like worth more than Cadillac. Yo, I got the styles. Big up to Battle Axe. Whatever I'm speaking, it's entertainment. Because, yo, man, you know I got a face famous. Beautiful visage. Yo, I got the styles. Yo, I'm waiting for applause. They gotta say, yo, that was a dope rap. Yo, man, you can just rock more coke rap. But no, I don't even have to quote that. Yo, man, put down your gat and pick up a book and a pencil and a computer, a laptop. Yo, man, you wanna check it out? A black African. Yo, man, we don't ever call the cops because we're not sellout sucker snitches or even duty ass bitches. Yo, man, we're really righteous, rugged, really rhymers. Yo, I got the styles. You know that I be chillin' all the time, relaxing up in the spot place. Yo, man, listening to the treble and the bass. Yo, man, I be at the party. Yo, man, Addy and Corey and the whole Nextra crew all up in my mama house. Yo, I got the styles. Ottawa, Ontario, you know what that's about. In the 1990s, 2010 decade, you know where you can find me. Yo, chillin' back in Toronto, my born spot, the city where I be born. Yo, man, I got the bomb flow. You know that I come with the knowledge thoughts, as if my name was the producer of Alphabet Assassins and the Blessed Brethren. Yo, I got the styles. Yo, from Calgary Flames to the Edmonton Oilers representing, or even the Toronto Maple Leafs and the Raptors. Yo, check it out. I should change this flow to conspiracy. The rugged Toronto Raptor, like a purple dinosaur. I'm like, I love you and you love me like Barney, but we ain't on them no comedy cheese. Yo, we're going for the perfection, please. Do you see the third eye in your mind? It's in your brain, divine design. Yo, I got rhymes for you all the time. Yo, man, eat chicken, not the swine. Yo, check it out. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yo, presidential perfection, keep it simple, stupid. Yo, I don't wanna be too complex, but still I gotta say that I'm fresh. Yo, I took a shower and I use soap. Yo, man, I'm rapping real dope. I have hope, faith, and trust in the Creator, and I believe in God's Son. Yo, I used to be a raver break dancing. Yo, man, you know that I'm gonna represent hard, son. I pull the Joker card out of the deck and then fire it up with kinetic energy, and I throw it as if my name was Gambit. Yo, soon I'm gonna be a metaphysical master, a mind magician. You may not believe me, but yo, you won't even see my face on TV as if I was a celebrity that was too rich to even be shown on that ish. Remix the script and flip it specific, cause my 666 is wicked. But yo, I still represent for the 7-1. Yo, man, you know I say that I love. I put it all together and I say, keep it simple, stupid, don't go all scientific. So we'll just talk about, yo, food and booty. Yo, you know when it just bounce? Yo, man, you know that I gotta say it's groovy. Yo, the flows that I be thinking, yo, is made by drinking the Five Alive, and then I show you that I rise to the top as if it was an erection in a twat. Yo, what doesn't matter? Go ahead. The cops will get shot in self-defense because they got weaponry. Yo, conspiracy, eternal energy. Yo, mastering my mentality, knowledge of self, mentally. Yeah, yo, with the flow when I say I don't know, but still I rock it. Yo, doing it, never stopping it, just check it. Visual pictures for your optic. So if you had a digitized eye and you could count the 256 trillion colors, you would see the rainbow spectrum. Don't even let them try to get inside your letters, kid. The way that I be speaking, it be like a beach ball. And you're just chilling at the beach with a bunch of bikini babes. And you got a big balls boner because it's a exhibit of pure exoticness. Yo, man, it's not a rental or a loaner. You own it. Yo, man, you don't clone it. Yo, I'm like Drake in a zone trick. Yo, I overdose on life because it's like on the mic device, I pay the price and twice I rep it hype and I don't even get scared at Fright Night. But I like to say I'm out of sight because if you're blind, I will let you envision my mind right. Yo, the way I rock it is just so perfect that nobody could ever stop because the four elements of hip-hop is letting me scratch vinyl records, break dance on the ground, spray graffiti on the wall, and rock hip-hop lyrics with the vibes and sounds of the wavelengths of my thoughts. Yo, I got the styles. Yeah, I used to smoke crack rock. I used to be addicted to cigarettes and fucking weed. Yo, alcohol gets drunk all of the time. Yo, man, but then I said I just gotta breathe and just be free. That is why they call me the Mysterio Conspiracy. I learned to freestyle from that cat. Yo, you know that I pull it out, a black hat. What? The magician's assistant. Yo, my rhymes are without description. It could be like pharmacy prescripted as if it was OxyContin. Yo, you know that I'm gonna give the sucker MCs a beating and a stomping for coming with the whack bull-ish. Yo, man, censor it and clean it up in a where we at? Here we go. Yeah. All right. What? Yo. Here we go. What? Well, the beat is gonna drop, so then I say, yo, man, you know that I have thoughts in my mind that I rep on the divine design, and I show you that I'm like Optimus Prime and Jazz and Bumblebee and a Cliff Jumper and even Braun. You know that a humper, yo, a girl on my bunk bed, yo, one time, white rainbow blanket, yo, one time for the Rastafarian dread. Yo, man, you know that I say what I said, and I meant it when I spoke it. Yo, man, you know that I am the dopest like coke smoke sniffed. Yo, man, but I'm trying to keep it clean up in the mix, because if you want to rap for the righteous, yo, you gotta put down the guns and stop the violence. Yo, we're all in the same gang. Yo, don't be in prison on a chain gang. Yo, man, you know I gotta say I'm an orangutan and a monkey, like King Kong fighting Godzilla in Toronto. Yo, CN Tower, even Air Canada Center. Yo, man, you know I'm 100%. Keep it 100 like Dice Raw. Yo, man, a punch across the jaw will shatter your teeth and they get wired. Yo, man, my name's headlining on the flyer. Call me the most believing in the Most High, your sire, your lordship. Yo, man, you know I like the whores, bitch. I don't always be swearing all the time, but sometimes I do, cause I see it in my mind, in my rhymes. Yo, I gotta rep it true. Yo, man, you know how I do. You know how I do. I am a soul singer. Yo, I got the style. The sucker MCs can get the middle finger. And then I say, whatever, anyways. I'm funnier than Mr. Bean. Showing up, flying, doo-doo diaper, all up in the air. Yo, I got the styles. Pure comedy. It's more like Monty Python up in this ish. The life of Brian. Yo, I'm representing the angels, Rastafarians in Zion. Yo, man. Black, Caribbean culture, Canadian character. Yeah. You want more freestyles? I don't even care if you can't even take it. I'm giving you more. You know that I'm not fake, kid. Yo, here we go. 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 Yeah, you want me to drop the rap right now? Well, it's gonna come on a verbal vocal attack. Yo, man, I gotta say, you're gonna be astounded and amazing. You'll say, oh my God, wow, that was so excellently amazing. Yo, it was entertainment. Yo, I love his face, I love his body, I love his thoughts, I love the way that he comes off of the top. Yo, you're not gonna get robbed, because if you thought that I'm gonna take you up with a shot, don't even bother, dog. Yo, this is all about peace. This is all about love. This is all about unity represented for the one. SBU, Supreme Being Unit. God at the top and all of us under the truest will beat the lie. Yo, I got rhymes. You know I never die. An immortal, eternal, Ethereal. Yo, always breathing. Yeah, yo. Filmed by Fabric, yo, I got the styles. I'm an alphabet assassin. Call me Algebra, the alphabetical. Yo, I got the styles. Medical, mental, as if I was a doctor, but I got the styles more like a witch doctor. In Goody Mob, and even, what are they called, yo, man? It doesn't even matter, yo, but I gotta say, Outcast, because it does matter. Actually, if you want to shout out little details and all of that, then you better get them right, precise on the mic device the first time, and not even twice. Because, yo, if people are paying the price, then they want to know the time and the rhyme and your mind and the vibe and the style and the staying alive. So keep breathing, keep eating. Yo, I got the style. Sucker MCs get a beating, defeated, but only with rhymes upon the... Yeah, it is a perfect performance, but still, it could even be better. Yo, freestyle off the top of the dome, I don't remember, but I am a professional entertainer. Yo, you know I could be scratching with the crossfader, saying I am the DJ. Yo, like Rihanna, Dead on the replay. Yo, hi Rihanna, my name is Royce the 5'9" Biter. Yo, I used to love Eminem, but there's people better than him. What up to the white cats? Yo, you know that I'm not gonna fight that. Extraterrestrial aliens with psychic powers. Whatever. I'm an ignorant dummy. Yo, sun showers of yellow sunflowers. Yeah, yo. Here we go. Off the top of the brain. Yo, I feel pleasure and I don't feel pain. Yo, I am cooking up like the butcher, the baker, and the candlestick maker. Yo, you know that I come with the flavor. Yo, all praises due to the creator. I believe in God cause I'm not an evil heathen. Yo, man, you know that I'm fiending to show you how I just rock it. Yo, coming with the thoughts that are thoughtless, because I have the Zen and the Chi, yo, and the prana inside of me, because that is the vibration. Yo, I have mastered edutainment like KRS-One. He dropped the cassette back in the day, son. Love's gonna get ya. Yo, man, you know that I say it's a perfect fit. Lady, I won't call you a biatch, but still I gotta say I make you rich. If you come hang out with me, I'll give you money for just kissing my ugly booty. Yo, man, I'm pornographic. Yo, I like my punani plastic. Yo, a fake girl with a dildo. Yo, I'm still coming with this ill flow. Punchline, double, triple, quadruple, mystical, as if I was screaming. Yo, you know that you will be believing. It ain't my fault. Shout out Silk, the Shaka, and Fiend Kid, and me, your ex. Yo, you know that I gotta say I'm fresh to death for life. Even when I'm stinking, I'm still smelling tight. Because I could wear the cologne, Drakkar, Fahrenheit, Obsession, Jones in my bones. Like Questlove and D'Angelo, protection. You use 3 condoms in Brazil. Take the words of wisdom from John Forte. You know I gotta say I'm ill with it. Yo man, you know I still kill it. Like if my name was a coroner. Yo, if you check all the words that I be saying, then it's exciting and I'm not boring you. Then it's exciting and I'm not boring you. Even little mistakes gotta get erased when I remix the edit. Yo man, I'm coming freshest and best, kid. Yo man, you know that you can't even test it. West in the east. Yo man, united in the south and the north. Yo man, undivided, and you put it all together and we have the 4 corners. Yo man, you know that that's why you're born to just love life and be a righteous person on the mic. Yo, I'm doing it twice in hype. Yo man, I say it's like a slice of chocolate cake, devil's food with rainbow sprinkles. You know I'm repping it fake, but yo, I still stay true, dude. Yo, here we go on the flow. Yo, I'm trying to stay a presidential elemental because I gotta say today's the day for me to do it. Representing for the number 1. I come ill with it, and I'll flip the script like Little Flip. But yo, man, you know I still shine like the sun, as if it was up in the sky and it's a sunny summer day outside, and you gotta just go play basketball with your boys. And then you say, keep it simple, stupid. Well, do your homework, and then you get to enjoy your free time. Yo, go watch some TV, The Simpsons. Yo, man, you know that I be just saying that I'm just going out to looking for some children so I can give them lollipops and chocolate bars and all of that. A pop, a can. Doesn't even matter, yo, I'm repping for the man. Me, I, self and solo. Solo self for dolo. Yo, man, I'm eating Rolos. Yo, man, you know that I gotta say, the girls gotta blow their cojones. Yo, I'm repping real, never phony. Yo, Conspiracy loves MOP and Mob Deep in the industry. Yo, the real hardcore black men. Yo, man, keep continuing rapping. Coming real. Staying true to the steel if you gotta blast it. But I'm not about that type of stuff because you know they die the fastest. I'd rather take them out with the music. Yo, I got the stuff. You know that I choose it, never lose it. Cause I keep it in my chest and I also say that I will pass the test of being the best that there ever was and will be. Lyrically in the industry, Conspiracy is technically something everybody wants to see. I am a believer. Yo, man, you know that I never deceive you. I will always come with a righteous rap. And then I say I'm the tightest crap. You want to flush it down the toilet, it gets clogged. But yo, you can just use a plunger, dog, and just make sure that it goes down on the second flush. Yo, man, you know I'm like, not gonna suck. I'm gonna be really hype on the mic device. Yo, man, you know I don't bite, cause I don't even copy, yo. That would make me sloppy, ho. Yo, man, let me put some meat up in your taco with some cheese. Yo, man, you know I got the stuff. Freeze, baby. I gotta triple check them tits, breast assist. Yo, man, you know that I'm wearing the Ankh on the necklace, yo, man, and it's a blessed, kid. We're gonna end it, yo. This is a freestyle, yo. I'll be chilling, relaxing in the meanwhile, casual. Eating a rotten apple, yo, as a lost angel, yo, Toronto, I'm born, yo, I stay great, though, you know, I'm keeping on my form, so, yo, check the next one, that I rock, the camera gonna cut off. It's gonna stop. But yo, we can continue again in the future. Yo, man, big up the producer. Yeah.